Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're back for a Google Easter egg, a little mini game that you can play inside your browser if you search for Katamari. If you're not familiar with Katamari, it's that game where you roll up stuff into giant balls and then put it into space as a new planet. So when you search for it, you'll get this little ball that bounces around. You just click on that, and then you can use WASD, move it around and pick up all of the junk on your screen in order to roll a gigantic ball, including the actual search field itself. Let's grab Google's logo just for funsies, if it'll let us. It's not grabbing everything, but it's grabbing a lot of stuff. And so yeah, you can play a miniaturized version of Katamari right here inside of your Google browser, rolling up a bunch of junk from whatever the search results look like, and it's a lot of silly fun. So check it out for yourselves. Just Google Katamari and click on the little ball in order to activate the game. I don't know if there's any technical requirements or if you have to have like a specific web browser. I'm playing this in Chrome, so your mileage may vary. So I hope you found this entertaining, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.